How to fix Valorant uh, not responding easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just right click on Valorant, click open files, then click Riot Games, and here go to Valorant, and then wait, I have Valorant here, and now once you're here, click Valorant, now live, and then shooter game, now binaries, Win64, and here right click on Valorant, properties and compatibility, and here click this run this program in compatibility mode, select Windows 8, and then click run this program in as an administrator and click apply and OK. And that's it. Now restart your PC and try again after that, and you will find that your problem is fixed. If that doesn't fix it, just type your background apps and turn off all those applications here just by turning out first option. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.